Today, Joe and I are going to teach you how to unclog your tub drain. The first way we're going to show you how to unclog your tub is typically the easiest way. Someone invented these cool little tools to make homeowners' lives easier. We found that sometimes it makes plumbers' lives easier as well. So this is the Turbo Snake, and this is a zipper. I will leave you links to these products in the description below. Both of these products pretty much work the same way. We're going to show you how they're designed to be able to be used without having to take your stopper out. So basically what you do is you go underneath your stopper and you just start pushing it down the drain, and you keep feeding and feeding. And then once you get it fed all the way through, you're just gonna pull it back out, and you know, if your drain is clogged, you may pull back out some hair. You do the same thing with this one. I find sometimes this one is a little bit easier to get in the drain. So you're just gonna open your drain, push it through. You're just going to keep pushing and pushing, and then you're going to take and crank it, kind of turn the wire a little bit so that that hair clog will wrap around, and then you're going to pull it out like that. Okay, I want to explain to you how to get the tip toe, the stopper, out of the drain. So this is a brand new one, and as you can see, there's a little stem in the bottom of this drain. So the only way you're going to get this out, if you raise it up and you keep turning and turning and turning, it's not going to come out. So you have to put it all the way down. It has to be in the closed position, and you're going to lefty-loosey. And you're just going to keep turning and turning until it comes out. See, it's got little threads there. And it does not lock into position until it's all the way down. So what you're going to do is, this is going to make it easier for you to clean the drain with the little snakes. So if you can't get yours out, then you'll have to do it like I originally showed you. But if you can, you're going to want to try to make your zipper go through one of the little openings right through here. That's gonna make it a lot easier for you. So the way to put the drain back on is you're just gonna put the stem in the little hole, put it all the way down, and turn it to the right until it does not turn anymore. And as you can see, it's back in there and it will not come out. It's that simple. Okay, the last way we're going to show you how to clean out your tub is through the overflow plate. If you're not familiar with what this plate is for, it's if you fill your tub up and with water and it starts getting too high, the water will actually drain down into the drain and not overflow your tub. If you'll see on this plate, it also says clean out. So we're going to use a hand drum. We're going to use this clean out to actually put our hand drum through. Notice I have the drain down. We want to be sure and keep the drain down so that if we drop this screw, it will not go down the drain. Yep, it sounds like I'm talking from experience. I may or may not have dropped a screw down the drain before. So, what we're going to do is we're going to sit this over here to the side. I'm going to leave a link. Basically, all hand drums are pretty much the same. I'll leave a link to one in the description below. They all have a lock somewhere, so we're going to unlock it. We're going to go down this overflow tube here. We're just going to feed this snake down into the drain. When it gets to where it won't move, we're just going to lock the cable back into position. we're going to take our handle and we're just going to turn and push on the machine. See, now that let it go all the way down through the drain. So we're going to open it up. We're going to unlock. We're going to feed some more. And now it's kind of in a stop position. We're going to leave a little bit there and then we're going to lock it back. We're going to start turning and pushing at the same time till it goes through. Then we'll unlock, pull out some more cable, lock. Now we've gotten enough cable in the line that we've gone through the trap. So now then, we're just going to unlock it. We're going to pull our cable back through. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.